then who is coming in first? Who is that? Who's in first? Drew?
Contestant number 4.
Oh.
5. 6.
Get Steve.
Oh, I got like a close stop.
Contestant number 1.
It looks like he's headed straight for us.
Ladies and gentlemen, bus number 1, we're ready to go. Bus number 1, ready to go. Ready to go. All right? Bus number 1 leaving at 2 o'clock. We're ready. We're ready to go. The new time.